Okay, so I added Perlin Noise generation. This header generates three-dimensional Perlin noise. It's based on Ken Perlin's actual implementation. Um, yeah, uh, I've got it currently set up to set the alpha value based on the distance to 0. So as it gets farther away, it gets more transparent. And the blue is where the noise is below a certain value. I want to scale this up and have the points be close to the size of pixels, or the size of pixels. So like this, but right now I'm not using enough points to make that look good, I don't think. So that'll be the next thing. I need to move to the other computer to do that, because yeah, it's got a separate GPU, so I don't have to rely on the integrated graphics on the CPU.